Use discount code JACOBVIRAL when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. What you think about that? Pretty loud?
I just got 2 Skar DVXs on the Terra.
Oh yeah. Yeah, it's crazy. Can I see the back real quick?
Yeah, we're packed up for camping break already.
That's alright.
There is nothing back here.
So you built it all the way to here. Did it slide in?
Yeah, me and the dude in the Suburban over there.
Okay.
We kind of miscalculated and had to cut the weather.
Oh, you pull. Okay. And your amps are on the side?
Yeah,
okay. There we go.
And then the amps are in the middle behind the seats.
Okay. You got your 6-order ports in the back like that. That's pretty different.
Yeah, everybody runs a center port.
Yes, sir.
I was gonna round them off, and me and that guy built it. Yeah. And it was like 3:30 in the morning. Oh, yeah. And I'm like, man, we forgot to get the arrow port. I was like, we'll just make a box.
Yeah. So these are VXF?
Yeah, VXF.
Okay.
14s.
Nice. Do you know your tunings on it?
25 50.
25.
I peak it at 49 for the meter.
Yeah.
That's my high peak.
Okay.
My low peak's like 29.
Okay.
I can play violently down to 19 hertz all the way to 50.
Nice. And this is just on the single 8K. Is it wired down or one ohm? Okay.
Yeah, they're full 2 voice coils all the way around.
Okay.
We got this all in here probably 3 weeks ago, so I'm gonna end up upgrading the power eventually anyhow.
Okay.
But for now.
Yes, sir. Thank you very much. What was your name?
Nate.
Nate. All right.
H-A-N-K.
Appreciate it, man. And it's on 40 amp hour lithium? Okay.
And a 320 amp alternator.
320 amp off. All right, got it.
Tesla. But you gotta ride it better than a Tesla.
I like you got your 6th order ports in the back like that. That's pretty different.
We got this all in here probably 3 weeks ago, so I'm gonna end up upgrading the power eventually anyhow.
Okay.
But for now.
Yes, sir. Thank you very much. What was your name?
Hank.
Hank. All right.
H-A-N-K.
Appreciate it, man.
Have a good one, buddy.
You too, man. Yes, sir. And it's on 40 amp hour lithium? Okay.
And a 320 amp alternator.
320 amp. All right, got it.